Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to download and install Tailswipe 7.3.1 on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Tailswipe official website, it is tails.net. Then click on install Tails. Then see here the latest release is 7.3.1. Click on it. See, these are the changes and updates. Scroll down. See here in the bottom for DVD and virtual machines in brackets ISO images, we have to click on here. Click on it. Then see here we have two options: direct ISO image download and by using BitTorrent. Either is same. Click on this download Tails 7.3.1 ISO image. No need to restart. Wait a moment. Download will be started. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 1.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same to create new virtual machine. Then click on next. Select this installer disk image file. Then click on browse. Then go to download. See here we have the Tails ISO image. Open it. Click on next. Then select guest operating system as Linux. Then version as Debian because it is based on Debian. So select latest version of the Debian from this list. Next. Then provide the name for the Tailswipe. That is virtual machine name. This is just virtual machine name and this is the default location to store this virtual machine files and folders. If you want some other location, click on this browser and select the path where you have the NS files. Click on next. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine hardware information. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware. I want to increase memory to 4 gigabytes or you can provide memory here in megabytes. Then click on close. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings or select it and click on VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide description for this machine, you have to provide here. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 7.3.1 and hit enter. See, welcome to Tails. See here, these are the default values. Suppose if you want to change the language, click on here and you can change. I'm okay with the default. Okay, then see here, create persistent storage. If you want, you can turn on this one. Okay, it is up to you. Then additional settings, click on this plus button. See here, we can configure these additional settings like administration password. By default it is off, so I want to enable it. So set the password for this administration, confirm the same, then click on add. Okay, remaining options I am going to keep it as it is. Then click on start Tails. See, we got the Tailswipe and see here tar connection. If you want to connect tar automatically, select this radio button and click on connect to tar. See, it is establishing connection. Go to applications. See here we have the different applications. Okay, now open terminal console, click on it, increase the font size, Ctrl++. Now verify the version more /etc os-release. See, we have installed Tails 7.3.1. You took it, control it. Now see, we have connected to tar successfully. Click on start tar browser. Okay, it is opening. Now the first step after connecting to Tailswipe is we have to update the packages. See, we got the tar browser. Verify the version of the tar browser. Go to help. Then about tar browser, see here 15.0.3. so update the packages, sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade, hit enter, provide the password of this administration. Okay. See, it is updating packages. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Tailswipe 7.3.1 on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.